Okay, flight 2 of my little modified
Takeoff flaps.
F-5. We'll see if we can taxi it out there if it doesn't get stuck in the mud.
Low rates.
Alright, well, let's try it again here. Make sure we're recording.
Gear up. Flaps up.
Well, she sure likes to climb on takeoff.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
I gotta keep it in closer this time because when it gets out there, it gets those clouds. I have a hard time seeing it.
Gear down.
One gear's still hanging up
Gear
on me.
up. Time remaining 2 minutes.
I think that one is still hung up. Well, I can mess with that.
Time remaining 1 minute. Gear down. Gear up. Seconds. Gear down. Landing flaps. Time expired.
Bring it in a little hot, a little long, just because I had a hard time seeing that. Yeah, nice. I'll have to see why my gear's hanging up a little bit on that. I believe it was the right main, but oh, this plane still flies really good. which I'm happy about after the mishap yesterday.
Flaps up.
All right, good deal. Yeah, got a lot of rain last night and a little chilly morning, but normally I can see this one in the white background, but I was having a hard time seeing it when it was down that way. So, but this is the only plane I brought out, so I'm done.